this session, we are going to discuss about the box plot and also violin plot and pair plot and heat map. So these are the four graphs we need to identify. We can discuss about how to represent the data using this graphs. Okay. Coming to the first one is the box plot. This box plot used to identify the outliers. Whenever this box plot they identify the outliers, they automatically process the data very efficiently without having any outliers. So for this purpose, we can use the box plot. The syntax for the box plot is some parameters as the box sns dot box plot and these are the syntax for the box plot. I will show you in the while writing the program. There are the five main things is there. First one is the minimum and first quartile and post quartile and median and third quartile and maximum. These are the five things, the main things in box plot. Coming to violin plot. Violin plot is also similar to the box plot. So it contains one or more categorical variables. So to represent this violin plot. Uh, okay, so violin plot and the pair plot. Pair plot is a multiple bivariant distribution in a data set. We can use a pair plot function. This is a pair plot syntax. There are multiple bivariant pairwise bivariant distribution data you can see in the data set. So for this purpose, we can use a pair plot function. And heat map is defined to graphical representation of data. We can use the heat map, which is to visualize the value of matrix. We can use the heat map. Okay, let me show you how to write the program and how the data we can represent these graphs. So first we need to input the libraries, import pandas as the import numpy as numpy, import os, import matplot dot type plot as plt, import c4 as these are the libraries are written. Just run this libraries, and then we need to read the Excel sheet. Read the pd dot read underscore Excel. Taking sample super store. This is Excel sheet dot XLS. Just trigger this and you can't just we are displaying only 5 records, and then we need to write the SNS dot. First we need to write box plot equal to y equal to sales and x equal to category and data equal to category data equal to new. Okay, so just we are replacing this data into the box plot. So the box plot you to identify the outliers. So there are five things in this box plot. One is minimum first quartile and median and third quartile and maximum. These are the five things we can see in we can remove the outliers using this box plot. So we efficiently can process the data into data set. So just so this is the graphical representation. This is the graph we can see using this box plot. So this is we taken as the furniture. category wise. The sales is a numeric column. So the next one is violin plot. Violin plot. So let's see sales. This is also similar to the boxer Excel plot. That's the category and df data equal to df. See, this is also something like boxer Excel plot only. Coming to the next one is pair plot. For that, we will import the data. Let me show you read underscore Excel, and reading the another Excel sheet. That is pair plot Excel. Not Excel. I'm taking this variable df1 and just trigger this df1.get. So this is the total pair recast I displayed. For this, I am writing the displaying the data. Pair plot is nothing but there is a multiple pairwise bivariant distribution. We can see in pair plot function. So let me send us pair plot. Okay, so this pair plot is a uh, very used in organization. So the pair plot it displays all the multiple varieties. How many category wise how many sales is there. So like this it will display the dots. Let me show you. So just okay, I think let me show why it is came. So no required of just we represent only the not required these parameters here. Only the data set is required. SNS dot page plot of df1. So this is very important graph in the data scientist. It will display the uh, each graph in a category. So see, so this is a pair plot. You can see the sales, quantity, discount, profit. So like this, it will display the sales and quantity profit. So like this, you can display the data in pair plot. Coming to the next one is a heat plot. A heat plot, heat map is defined as a graphical representation of data using colors to visualize the value of the matrix. So I will show you df1 dot correlation. See, this is the correlation for the data set. Sales is this is the correlation value, quantity discount. This is the correlation value. So like this, we can show the heat map. Also, we can use heat map. SNS dot heat map. So I will show heat map. You can see. See, now we can see here DFNR correlation I am taking. See, we have given as single single quotation, so that's why it is going error. See, so as soon as heat map RDF correlation not equal to, so this is a graphical representation of the correlation. Graphical representation of data using colors to visualize the value of matrix. These are visualize the value of matrix. So the correlation values we display in the heat map. So this is the things. This is the four graphs we data we can represent in this representing the representing using the data set. So we have total we have first one is a box plot, second one is a violin plot and pair plot and also heat map. Okay, these are the four graphs that today we have discussed. Please let me know if any queries. Please subscribe my channel in Data Space 9. And please share, comment.